Today we're going to be talking about how to find the equation of a line that's parallel to another given line and passes through a certain point. The first thing you have to know is that the equation of a line is usually written in this form. M is the slope and B is the y-intercept. So if we have a line y equals 2x plus 1, let's just say every line here is a 1. Plus 1 is your b value. That's here on the y-axis. So the point is 0 for x, 1 for y. This is your y-intercept, and that's the point that your line will pass through. And the slope is 2. That's this m, which means rise over run. So if the slope is 2, there's an invisible 1 under it, which means 2 is the rise, 1 is the run. You go up by 2 and to the right by 1. So if I go up by 2 and jump 1 to the right, go up another 2, jump 1 to the right, the line y equals 2x plus 1 would look something like this when you connect the dots. Now they want you to find the equation of another line that is parallel and passes through the point 5, 4. It would be somewhere here. So your parallel line is going to look something like this. Now this green line is what we need to find the equation of. A parallel line will never intersect the original line because it's running parallel. The form of the equation is still going to be y equals mx plus b, but you need to first find m. One key point to note is that parallel lines actually have the same slope. So if I want to find the equation of the green line that's parallel to the black one, the slope will also be 2. So immediately, I know that my equation will look something like this. Now you have to figure out the y-intercept, which is the b. If we keep extending the green line, it passes somewhere here on the y-axis, and you need to find that number. The way you can do this is through the point that they gave you, 5, 4. Which is an x, y point. X is 5, y is 4. As long as we know a point, we can plug it in and work backwards to solve for b. So y is equal to 4. You can plug that in here, and x was equal to 5. Now we do 2 times 5, which is 10, plus b. Move this over and subtract it, and b equals -6. So your final equation is y equals 2x minus 6, and that's the final answer. We've already graphed what the green line would look like, but that means that this point here would be 0 on x and -6 on the y. Thank you for watching.